Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Alex Crypto. Thanks for tuning in. Check out the website at AlexCrypto.com and join me on Twitter, AlexCryptoTV. Taking a look at the market, we're dipping hard right now. A lot of the currencies are in double-digit dips in the last 24 hours, with Bitcoin Cash taking a particularly hard shit. So is Litecoin. So is Stellar taking a big hit. Monero. Mining at Monero. NEM also down 17%, VeChain down 20%, Icon down 21%, Nano 20, DigitStyle good for 20, Siacoin good for 20, 0x, Walton Chain 21, almost 22%. So we're getting slayed out there. Really bad day. Everything is in the red. Some things are doing a little good, like Tron is doing all right. EOS is coming back. Qtum is kind of coming back a little bit. Ethereum Classic, status, but not much at all. What I do want to look at is NEO, because before I made a NEO prediction that a bounce was going to be right around the corner. This was a great buying opportunity. So what happened? We basically came down off the top and we breached this buy zone, which I said was going to be the buy zone, and I expected a bounce off of here. So now we're down at this 1-to-1 area. We made a full retracement to $48.94, or 48 tethers and 94 cent tethers. So here I expected a bounce, and we did take a double bottom here. I'm not sure if this is the hourly or the 4-hour or whatever, but we did take a bounce here. And let's take a closer look. So we're now, just in the last kind of couple hours, took a ride up from this 48 mark to this 52, so $4 increase. Not bad. I am playing this position up over on Binance. So let's take a look to see what's going on, where my sell point would be. So this is a full NEO chart from the time it started trading on Binance. So I got the fib lines on here. We took a bounce off this mark right here. We went back up off the 33, came down and made a retracement. And this is the red line. I mark off the 15% and I mark off the 87.6, which is not really a fib number, but I noticed these zones are a part of the fractal pattern, so they relate to the fib pattern that comes out of after the primary wave on the retracement. So that's why I colored them in red. Regardless, the fuchsia line is resistance and support level from the past. I guess this is the absolute floor. Should it go any further? So let's see what's going on. So taking a look here, it's bouncing. So I've wicked off the very bottom here, and so I'm expecting it to make an 87.6% retracement all the way back up to the top. Looking here at the 9-minute chart. So I'll probably make my sale there around $54 and exit the position and wait for it to retrace all the way back down here to around the 33% range. And then I may consider another play depending on where the market is and where the strength is. Right now this is probably just a technical bounce and we can see some further movement to the downside. Like I said, that all-time resistance and support level that you saw in fuchsia is just right down there. And what I did earlier was I modified my fib tool to kind of give me a prediction of where these waves are going to land. So I did a couple of measurements earlier. So let's say I measured this wave here. Interesting. What else do we have here? Okay, well, it could still come down to this $47, $48 mark. So who knows? Anything can happen. And it could still come down to this $43 mark. Like I said, anything can happen. Yep. Or it could be the bottom right there. You never know. You never know. But I think most likely the bottom is probably, could be somewhere around here if it decides to go further. So, but for now it's probably going to retrace up to this line. Somewhere in the $54, $55 level maybe. So this is one we definitely want to watch and see where it goes. I mean, the market has not been performing well, to say the least. So you really gotta just take the trades that are basically a sure shot. So you really gotta wait until it reaches the bottom. And I've even modified my fib tool to help me predict kind of where that bottom is going to be. Then I have a different fib tool that'll tell me where the top of a bullish wave set will be. All you have to do is measure the first wave in an Elliott impulse. It will tell me based on algorithmic activity where the peak is, and I'll show you that in a different video, hopefully when this market turns around. But for now, I'm Alex Crypto. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Check out the website at AlexCrypto.com. I'm AlexCryptoTV on Twitter. Have a good night.